Uh, Last class we will discuss food safety and its related topics. Today we will discuss food preservatives. Now the question is, what is preservatives and why does it need preserving? Actually, food need preserving because humans are not only things. Uh, Can you see it?
Yes, miss.
Why does food need preserving? Actually, humans are not the only living thing which need food. Microbes, bacteria, and fungi eat our food. Unless they are stopped, they grow in food and make it so bad. Some microbes produce harmful substances which cause food poisoning. To inhibit spoilage of the food items by microbial growth, food preservatives are needed. Now the
Okay.
question is, what is preservatives? Preservatives. Preservatives are natural or artificial substances which are added to food, pharmaceutical, paints, biological sample, wood, etc. in order to stop the undesirable effects like decomposition from microbial growth or by chemical changes. As a result, food or pharmaceutical are preserved for long times against going bad. There are many types of preservatives: natural preservatives and chemical or artificial preservatives. Natural food preservatives. Actually, these preservatives are found in nature. That means the main source of this preservative in nature, like salt, sugar, vinegar, alcohol. These are natural preservatives. They are used in prepare jam, jelly, pickles, sauce, juice, etc. And chemical বা artificial preservatives.
Yes.
These preservatives are chemically substance. That means it is synthetically manufactured, which may be antimicrobial, antioxidant, or anti-enzymatic preservatives. Now we will discuss about these preservatives. Antimicrobial preservatives. These preservatives are sodium or calcium salt or calcium propionate benzoic acid, sorbic acid, or sodium sorbate. How does it work? Actually, this preservative inhibit the growth of bacteria, fungi, including mold. Can you see this? These are
Yes, miss.
antimicrobial preservatives. Sorbic acid, benzoic acid, sodium benzoate, calcium propionate. These are antimicrobial preservatives. Antioxidant preservatives. These preservatives are varieties compound like ethanol, formalin, BHA, BHT. Sometimes a question is given to your examination. What is BHA and BHT? These preservatives resist oxidations of foods continues, especially oxidation of fat and lipids. Now the question is, what is BHA and BHT? The answer will be BHA and BHT means butyl hydroxyanisole and BHT means butylate hydroxytoluene. It's one kind of antioxidant preservatives. It works resist oxidation of food constituents, especially oxidation of fat and lipids. Okay.
Yes.
So BHA, BHT is important for your examinations.
Okay, Miss.
Anti-angiogenic preservatives. Look, here is a chart. And here is given some common preservatives used in our canteen. Ammonium sulfate, titanium oxide, BHT, sodium nitrate, potassium bromate, sorbic acid, and this is the example which it is used. Okay. Anti-angiogenic preservatives. These preservatives block the enzymatic process, such as ripening occurring in food stuff, even after harvest. Okay. Food preservatives. How safe are they? We have got an idea about food preservatives. Food preservatives are added to food items in order to inhibit, retard, or arrest the process of fermentation, acidification, decompositions of food items. In order, preservatives in food help keep the food safe or without spoiling for longer time. Generally, maximum permissible limit of preservative has been set up. We know nothing extra is good. When using of chemical substance or chemical preservative exceeds the internationally approved dose, it causes harmful effects on human health. Now we will discuss the side effects of chemical preservatives on human health. First, sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate is one kind of food preservatives. It is used in the preservation of fish and meat. It may react with the proteins to produce nitrosamine, which is responsible for cancer disease. Okay, that means sodium nitrate, it creates cancer disease in our body. Citric acid. Citric acid, actually chemically produced citric acid has some side effect on our health like allergy, asthma, hyperactivity, etc. Benzoate, bromate, BHA, that means butyl hydroxyanisole. Every chemical preservatives has some side effects on our health.
ম্যাম এটা কোন চ্যাপ্টার কোন বই?
Chemistry first paper chapter 5.
ও
Oriented
ঠিক আছে।
chemistry.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
Today we will discuss food preservation method. There are many ways of food preservations like canning of food, irradiation of food, dyeing of food. On this table, here is given some preservation method, how it works, what is done, and its example. First, canning. What is canning? Actually, this definition is given to your examination. So you have to read all these methods. But today I am discussing some important method. Okay? First, canning. What is canning and how it works? Canning, food is cooked and then sealing cans. All kind of tinned food like soup, meat, bean, etc. These are preserved by this process. How does it work? Cooking kill microbes. We are all know cooking kill microbes. Sealing in airtight cans stop any more getting in. Second, salting. Another name is curing. What is curing? This question is important for your examination. Actually, salting or curing is food is soaked in strong salt solutions. Microbes don't grow well in salty solutions. Like salted fish, bacon, these foods are preserved by this way. Sugaring. Sugaring is one kind of preservation method. Food is kept in very strong sugar solutions. Microbes don't grow well in highly sugary solutions like jam, jelly, apple, etc. These kind of foods are preserved by this way. Next, jugging. What is jugging? Meat is mixed with brine and kept in an airtight earthen pot. Vacuum and bind control inhibits the microbes growth. Another is electroporations. What is electroporations and how does it work and what is done? Electroporations is one kind of method. There, food is kept in a pot with electric field and electric pulse is applied. We all know in high temperature microbes do not exist, like juice. Next portion is food additives. It's important topics for you. What is food additives? Food additives is one kind of chemicals. are added to foods to give attractive color, flavor, taste, etc. Stops oxidation and keep color intact. It works this way. Example, BHA and BHT. Biopreservation. Biopreservation, natural or control microbacteria like lactic acid and bacteria are mixed with food. That means is the important line. Lactic acid and bacteria are mixed with this food by this method. And as a result, in this process, that means biopreservation, useful microbes. Some microbes are useful in our body and in food also. Useful microbes are produced in this way, and these microbes kills pathogens that is produced in food, and in this way these useful microbes helps to keep the food safe. So this is important food preservation method for your examinations. You have to read all these methods. On page 465 of your book, there is a table and there is given some common food additives with their
I see.
function. First, additive color. Purpose to make food attractive and fresh without health problem. Commercially, these are food additives name. E142, lecithin, E322. These are additives names, and these additive helps to food attractive, flavor, taste, etc. First, color. To make food attractive and fresh without health problem, like E142. Color is used to make the fresh and canned piece. Flavor, emulsifier and stabilizer. Sometimes a question is given to your examination. What is emulsifier? What is emulsion? Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, one kind of emulsifier. Mayonnaise, then ice cream, homogeneous milk. These are emulsifier. Emulsion. Emulsion, they allow water and oil to remain mixed in an emulsion. Emulsion in two types. One is oil in water, another is oil in water. Sorry, oil in water and water in oil. These two types of emulsions. That means emulsifier and stabilizer to keep water and oil mixed in an emulsion. What is emulsion? Emulsion is one kind of process. It may be two types. One is water in oil or oil in water. Like lecithin E322 is used in powder milk. Sweetener, antioxidant, preservative, these are food additives. Like preservatives, food additive also some side effects on our human body or on human health. So your homework is food additives and its related topics. Next class.
ওগুলা কি করব করব না লিখব
মিস আরেকবার বলবেন মিস ফুড
Food additives and its related topics. Next
আমি
class.
ফাংশনস গুলো দেখব
হ্যাঁ,
শুধু দেখব আচ্ছা মিস আমি দেখছি মিস
no. Next class I will ask or send you some question on your WhatsApp group. Okay?
ওকে মিস
And you will write the answer of that question and take a snap. Then you send me my personal WhatsApp ID, not college ID.
ওকে মিস
ও মিস আচ্ছা মিস পার্সোনালি মিস আপনাকে মেসেজ দেব মিস হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে
Personal WhatsApp ID তে।
হ্যাঁ মিস পার্সোনালি ছবি তুলে দেব
Why are you talking in Bangla?
মিস আমি বাংলাদেশে তাই
You are English person student, so you talk English in online Zoom class. Okay? Khuda Hafiz. So all for today.
ওকে
Okay.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম
ওকে
We'll
ম্যাম গুড
discuss
নাইট
another topics next class.
Good night, miss. Every night, miss.